Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook miso salmon. First, gather your key marinade ingredients: 2 tablespoons of white miso paste, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Whisk these components together in a small bowl until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. This simple yet essential step creates a deeply flavorful, aromatic base for your salmon fillets, promising a delightful culinary experience. Now, take your 4 6-ounce salmon fillets and generously coat each one with the delicious miso marinade you just prepared. Ensure the fish is thoroughly covered for maximum flavor absorption. Place the marinated salmon in a shallow dish, cover it, and refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes, or for a more intense flavor, up to 2 hours. This marinating period is crucial for infusing the salmon with its signature taste. For oven baking, preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the marinated salmon fillets on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each piece. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, adjusting the time based on the thickness of your fillets. The salmon is perfectly cooked when it turns opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork, revealing a tender, juicy interior. Alternatively, you can achieve a beautiful crispy skin by pan-searing. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, such as grapeseed or avocado, in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the salmon fillet skin side down and sear for about 4 minutes, creating a golden, crispy skin. Flip the salmon and cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, or until it reaches your desired doneness, ensuring a delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.